Hercules' sixth labor was to defeat the Stymphalian birds, ferocious creatures with beaks of bronze and deadly feathers that could pierce armor. The swampy landscape made the task more difficult, as the birds hid in the dense trees, swooping down on anyone who dared approach. With the help of the goddess Athena, Hercules received a special rattle made by Hephaestus. This noise would force the birds to come out of hiding. Hercules shook the rattle with all his strength, and the deafening sound echoed through the forest, forcing the Stymphalian birds to rise from their hiding places. As the birds took to the sky, Hercules aimed his deadly arrows, striking them down one by one with expert precision. With the birds defeated, Hercules once again triumphed over an impossible challenge, marking another victory in his legendary journey.